Hello and welcome. My name is Chris Molenaar, and for those of you that don't know me, I am a real estate agent out of Saskatoon, Canada. And on this YouTube channel, what you're going to find is what's worked for me over the years in real estate and in life to take me from a point where I was literally couch surfing and broke to the point where today I'm a top producing real estate agent and team leader. I've also seen these strategies take new agents from $0 to $100,000 a year in a very short period of time. I've also seen these strategies take experienced agents who have applied it and doubled and tripled their sales with it. So I've called this channel Real Estate Stuff for Agents because I don't want to take life too seriously. I think this is a serious business. I think it's a very professional business, but we can be a little bit relaxed in our approach and still get the job done. So let me tell you my accolades, which is essentially my humble story. I grew up in a trades family. I'm the black sheep of the family. I'm the only non-mechanically inclined of the bunch, but I was the first of 5 siblings to get my trades ticket, but I was the first and only also to get out of the trades. My youngest brother is an automotive mechanic. My second oldest brother is a plumber pipe fitter. My oldest brother is a forklift operator, and my twin sister married a truck driver. My dad is a millwright, and he lives in a mobile home. And my mom is currently unemployed and on welfare and has been for many, many years, which is a story for another day. But today, I want to share with you what has made the difference for me and specifically the reason. I met a girl when I moved out here to Saskatoon from British Columbia, and she introduced me to personal development. Now, as you know, it was a huge learning curve for me coming from a trades family. I was a sheet metal worker when I first moved here. Right? I got my trades ticket in sheet metal. I used to change furnaces. I used to climb into attics. I used to breathe in the ductwork and the fumes and all that kind of really nasty stuff that you get in the trades. And I got into real estate, but I had a lot to learn. So I found Bob Proctor. And what Bob Proctor helped teach me was how to attract money into your life and how to retain money. Then I found Dale Carnegie. And I took some public speaking courses, and Dale Carnegie taught me how to communicate effectively with other people and how to speak in public, which was a skill that I didn't have prior to. Then I met Mike Ferry, and Mike Ferry taught me the foundational fundamentals in real estate. And yes, Mike Ferry is probably the oldest guy in the book when it comes to teaching real estate sales training, but the fundamentals never change in real estate. And finally, I found Brendan Burchard. Brendan Burchard is a master marketer. He's a YouTuber. He's a personal development advocate. And he's also a big influencer online. And what I learned from him was how to build a personal brand on social media. And so what I'm going to do for you here on this channel is I'm going to break down each of those things. I've literally invested hundreds of thousands of dollars into those programs and many, many, many others. I've read hundreds of books over the course of my journey so far, and I want to teach you the quickest, easiest, fastest way to get from A to B, just the good stuff, to get results so that you don't have to do what I did. You don't have to learn the hard way. I'll give you the shortcut so you can get the results no matter where you're starting from. If you apply what I'm going to teach, you will get the same results or better. So feel free to reach out, tell me where your starting point is from, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for being here.